Hey Flooring Pros, do you have a website that doesn't work? You spend lots of money in your website, but your website doesn't give you any extra leads or any extra sales. In today's video, we'll find out what is the best website strategy for flooring business. I'll do a website audit for my clients, so let's start it. And this is full breakdown website audit for you, because I think you are not getting leads from your website, so your website just a showpiece. And I know if you can change some of things, you can get more leads, because on my point of view, you are just leaving lots of money on table. Let's look at that how. So in a successful website that gets leads, that has three parts. That is traffic, trust, and conversion. Let's start with your traffic. First of all, I collect your address and your Google My Business link. So I'm gonna search it in Google Map. I found you from here, and I can see you have some reviews, and maximum is good review. That's make me really happy when I see these types of good reviews, because now I know you're doing great job. But if you can change some of it in your website, in your online site, you can get more sales, more customers. First of all, we're going to see your traffic. So I can see you don't have any traffics right now. That's make me sad. You're investing money every month in your website, but your website doesn't bring any viewers. Customers is another chapters, but you don't have any viewers in your website. It's okay, we'll work on that. So first of all, in your audit, I will do in Semrush Start 0 out of 10. Suggestions, some local SEO, paid ads. Local SEO and paid ads will bring you viewers, but it doesn't convert your viewers as your customer. For that, you need a good design, and I'll explain that later. Let's see your SEO optimization. So we can see one page SEO is D+, link is A. Overall, it's a D-. You have lots of sector to improve. That's sad, because website is something that bring you money, but you are just wasting money. You build this website that costs money, and every year the domain hosting is costing money, but that doesn't give you any extra money. That's not a worth the investment. So in speed analyzation, performance is 86. That's not a good performance, because you just have one page. In one page website, the performance should be higher than 99%, because you don't have much contents. So I will do here 1 out of 10. And GMB audit, I can see your Google Map, your business, you have reviews, also have some questions, but didn't reply that. You should reply to your question, and you have to take more reviews, and you need to share more pictures, like your cars pictures, your work pictures. So I will give that solid 5 out of 10. You can improve. Add photos, reply question, get more reviews. And your optimization, everything you have to do there, but first you have to focus on page SEO. Now it's time for the trust. If I go to your websites, there is nothing to offer me. As a customer, if I visit your website, there is nothing for me. That's a blank piece of paper. In trust, first thing is risk reversal and unique selling proportions, also known as USP, and I can't see any risk reversal for me or any unique selling proportion. You add a free estimate and voice call. That's a kind of risk reversal or unique selling proportion, but not that good in this time. So without that, there is nothing else. So I'm gonna give you a solid 4 for that number. So that is 4 out of 10. So you're giving them free estimation, but the design should be updated. After that, you need reviews and social proof. Why can I trust you if you don't have any reviews or social proof? I don't see any reviews here, any kind of reviews. You have customer reviews in a navigation, but it's not in your homepage. So I don't have time to check customer reviews as a customer, right? This is something you have to place in the front to get my attention. So I'm gonna give you a solid 1 out of 10 for navigation. Bring it front page. Trust badge and reputation. I can see some trust badge you work with, but it should be in a single sliders with a good designs. So I'm gonna give you a 6 out of 10 on that. One slide, good design. And then personality and face, that is important, because if I visit your website and see your smiling face, then that will be more trustable for me. And you don't have any photos of you or your team or nothing, so that would be a 0 out of 10. That's your own website, but you don't have your team photos or your photos here, so that's sad. So you should add CEO photo or vehicle photo. These things brings my attention and make your page trustworthy. So now it's important, it's like, know, and trust factor. Whenever someone buys anything from anyone, this is the main factor. First they have to like, then they have to know, then they have to trust you. What's your backstory? What about your company? What's special about you? Why should I trust you? So in that, I don't see any of that. You can add your about us section here, your backstory, how many days you are doing the services, your vehicles, your teams. So here I'm gonna give you a 0 out of 10 because there is nothing. So I'm gonna say add video, photos, and win trust. And the last thing is emotional backstory. You don't have any about us. In this short passage, you say you have running this family business over 20 years. That's a big experience, but no one gonna read this from this small line. But we have to improve that. But there is some backstory, so I'm gonna give them a solid 5 out of 10. But we can improve a lot by designing. Good design, photos, videos. Now it's conversion, the main thing of a website. Is your website making you money or not? This is the factor. You don't have any call to actions buttons, but you have some call to action test, like free advice. So I'm gonna give you 3 out of 10. because if you have a call to action button and have a form to generate leads, from those leads you can call them and book them into your customer. Insert leads form, call to action buttons. Now it's incentive to take action. You guys give a free estimate and advice call, so that's good. I'm gonna give you a 6 out of 10 here, but you can add more badges like 24/7 or emergency response, like that. And also you can add some buttons. This thing will make it more incentive. Then mobile responsive, if I go to your responsive, so mobile responsive is good because this is a one-page website. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because one-page website is automatically mobile responsive 90%. And speed and functionality, I go here, you can see your performance, it's 86%. It's a one page, it takes 3.2 seconds, but I guess you can do it more faster because it's just a one page. If you have a big website, still you have to make it faster. 9 out of 10, but you can make it better. So overall I'm gonna give you a 2 out of 10 because we can make it better. So we can add some info over here, and in this right side we can give some hook to give you call, like you said, free estimate, or what you said, or advice call, I guess advice call. Then this side you can add your number and email. Then here your logo should take at least 20%, but your logo is too big, and the nav bar should be in this place. You don't have any contents in your front page, but front page is the most important place to get attention and get trust from your customers, from your viewers. So you have to work a lot on that to add testimonial in this place, what I said in your audit, and then the trust badge, the portfolio, and everything under that, about us, your mission. And also in this front page you need your picture, team's picture, or your cars. Like you can see one of our projects in this info bar, need any flooring help, phone number and email. A logo you can do it anywhere, we just make it in middle. You can see it's a clean website, some good CTA, some good contents, and some badges to take your trust in the first place. And also this side, the CEO, the teams, the vehicles, and also look at the CTA button. Everywhere is a CTA button. We need to convert the viewers into your leads, so look at that, get a free code. This is a very easy form to give a lead. Like that you have to do everything. From our superior flooring website formula, we can see our formula, our blueprint. We give a top bar, a nav bar, a hero section with owner picture, van or team. Get a free code, you already see that. Then review testimonial, trust badges, key services, gallery portfolio, and everything. Every single thing. Gallery portfolio is automated with this Instagram feed. Like it's a AI automated lead generative website. It will generate leads automatically. You don't have to think anything about it. People will give you leads automatically. You just have to call and set a meeting. And also we have audit master checklist here. There is a big list we do. You don't have to overthink on these. These are hours work, and your work is growing your business and run your business. So there is so many scope you can improve and grow your flooring business as a flooring business owner. From my perspective, I can give you more values in your business that will grow your business 100%. That's a guarantee. So we are Leads Floor Agency. This is our work. We do AI lead generative website for you that will generate better leads, book more inspections, and sell more floors for you. So those are some ideas. I literally put them together in 10 minutes, you see. And if you found it valuable, just let me know, because there are more ways I could add some values to your company, and that would potentially get you more sales and more good reviews in your business, and it will make your brand more trustworthy. So you guys, you see the website audit. If you want to know where is the lacking on your website, why your website doesn't give you your expected results, just comment down your web URL and I will give a free audit for you guys.